As a business owner, you know that how you sell is just as important as what you sell. And when you're pitching your lighting designs to potential customers, a professional presentation goes a long way. Learning how to close the deal with prospects will help you level up your business. We're going to walk through 4 trade secrets to help you win more outdoor lighting business. Number 1, make your pitches unforgettable. The best way for homeowners to understand your vision is to be able to see it for themselves. Using lighting design services like My Design by FX Luminaire can allow you to take on-site pictures of each property and create quick, personalized lighting designs. And to add a level of professionalism, you can put your company logo on your presentation. Letting homeowners see your design in their space before they sign on the dotted line can get them even more excited about lighting their home. Number 2, structure your presentations. Your presentation should flow in a way that keeps people engaged. One way to do this is to tell the story in chapters: front yard, backyard, and house. It makes your presentations easier to follow and allows for a phased selling approach. And by focusing on one section at a time, you can better showcase the details you put into your designs. Number 3, customize the pitch to the homeowner. Homeowners will want their lighting design to suit them, so adjust your approach to fit their needs. You can give them options to choose from with good, better, and best selling approaches, highlighting different levels of capabilities at different price points. And if your prospects are exploring hardscaping options, you can help with fixture selection, including undercap lighting, step lights, wall lights, and strip lights. Number 4, sell the emotion behind the lighting. Homeowners are proud of their property, and the right lighting design can show off the best features and create the ambiance they're looking for. Present a visual reference to your prospects using My Design from FX Luminaire to highlight the emotional appeal behind the lighting. Help them imagine how inviting their home will feel and how excited they'll be to show it off to friends, family, and neighbors. And to bring it home, offer an in-person demo where homeowners can see their house lit up. Learning how to professionally present your designs to potential customers can take your business to the next level. And with SiteOne and FX Luminaire lighting design services like My Design, you can find the resources you need to make sure you're fully confident going into your next job. Visit a SiteOne branch to learn more about lighting design and solutions.